Queen Ifrica lifestyle, music career, and legacy. Early life and background. Queen Ifrica, born Ventrice Morgan on March 25, 1975, in Montego Bay, Jamaica, is one of reggae's most empowering voices. As the daughter of Derrick Morgan, a legendary ska and rocksteady artist, music flows naturally through her veins. Raised in a culturally rich environment, Queen Ifrica grew up with a deep appreciation for Jamaica's musical heritage and Rastafarian values, which profoundly shaped her artistic and personal life. Music career. Queen Ifrica's career began in the late 1990s after being discovered by Tony Rebel, a prominent reggae artist and producer. Signing with Rebel's Flames Productions, she quickly gained recognition for her soulful voice, conscious lyrics, and fearless approach to social commentary. Her music blends reggae, dancehall, and roots with messages of empowerment, justice, and cultural pride. In 2009, Queen Ifrica released her critically acclaimed album Montego Bay, which addressed pressing issues such as poverty, abuse, and gender inequality. Songs like Far Away, Daddy, and Lioness on the Rise showcased her versatility and established her as a voice for the voiceless. Daddy is especially impactful, addressing the taboo subject of incest and child abuse, sparking critical conversations in Jamaica and beyond. Her follow-up album, Climb, released in 2017, continued her legacy of conscious music, with tracks like Traversation featuring Damian Marley and I Can't Breathe, which tackled systemic racism and police brutality. Queen Ifrica's powerful storytelling and unwavering commitment to social issues have earned her a loyal fanbase and international acclaim. Lifestyle and personal beliefs. Queen Ifrica's lifestyle is deeply rooted in Rastafarian principles, emphasizing spirituality, natural living, and cultural preservation. A devoted advocate for African heritage, she often uses her platform to promote unity, self-reliance, and awareness of social injustices. Queen Ifrica is also a humanitarian, actively participating in community outreach programs, youth mentorship, and charity initiatives. She is vocal about issues affecting marginalized groups, including women, children, and the poor, both in Jamaica and globally. Her activism extends beyond her music, as she frequently speaks at events and rallies advocating for change. Her personal life reflects her commitment to living authentically. As a mother, she balances her career with nurturing her family, often drawing inspiration from her own experiences. Known for her regal style, Queen Ifrica embodies strength and grace, whether performing on stage or advocating for causes close to her heart. Net worth and legacy. As of 2024, Queen Ifrica's net worth is estimated to be around $1 million, earned through music sales, performances, and endorsements. While she values financial stability, her true wealth lies in the impact of her work and the lives she has touched through her music and advocacy. Queen Ifrica remains a trailblazer in reggae, celebrated for her courage, authenticity, and commitment to uplifting her people. With her powerful voice and unwavering dedication to justice, she continues to inspire and educate through her music, leaving an indelible mark on the global reggae scene.